Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to back up your registry editor before editing. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to go to your start menu icon, type registry editor and go to registry editor app, and after that click on file to export means save on your computer. Click on export and select the location where you want to save. So I will save under music folder. So I will save. So I will put any name over here. In my case I am putting here technology. Now click on save. So after backup, if you want to import, you just need to click on file and click on import, and you simply click on that file where you have saved. Okay, and after that click on open and it will restore your old settings. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.